Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cambridge, Maryland. We've got a very unique situation on this roof. Homeowner was experiencing some difficulty, and this roof was not even that old. The shingles were starting to come off. It was a very poor installation, and one of the reasons why is because this roof was not properly vented. What we have in this house is we have a second floor, but it's got a finished interior wall right along that angle. So what happens is we got a cathedral ceiling, there's no attic space, so how do you vent a roof like this? So what we did is we are using the product called DCI Smart Vent, and what DCI Smart Vent is going to allow us to do is ventilate this roof even though it doesn't have any attic space. There's a 6-inch cut line right above the gutter right here, and it goes all the way across. What that does is allow intake into the rafter area, and you see these black baffles up top. Okay, so that gives it airflow from the bottom of the roof to the top of the roof, and eventually we're going to put on that ridge vent, so we will have 100% passive ventilation inside of this roof. And it's one of the things that is required when it comes to shingles and their manufacturer warranties. Now that you know a little bit more about passive ventilation and you're questioning whether or not your roof is properly vented, give us a call. We are the professionals and we are here to help. 443-675-6485. Remember, measure twice, cut once, and always do it with precision.